Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, great patriarch. Happy birthday to you. Oh, once again, it's another year in the life of God's servant, our Father in the Lord, the patriarch, apostle, Dr. Professor Johnson Suleman. I celebrate you, Daddy. You are an awesome man of God, full of love and compassion, full of love and so much kindness for humanity. I thank the Lord for how God has been using you across the globe. It's been an amazing journey, and we celebrate you. This is the new year of your life, and we celebrate with you. We love you. We celebrate with you, and I pray that God will continually graduate your life from one level of glory to another. And I pray that in all your travels and tours, that God will continually protect you, guide you jealously, and the covenant of longevity to continue to rest with you, rest in your home, rest in your house, and abide with you forever. I celebrate and love you, Daddy. God bless you, Daddy. We love you. Happy birthday. Congratulations, Patriarch.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.